In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kdenlive on Windows. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned pro, having Kdenlive on your Windows system can be a fantastic addition to your software toolbox. Let's guide you through the process step by step so you can start creating marvelous videos in no time. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to kdenlive.org. This is the official website where you'll find everything you need for your installation. Once you're on the home page, look for the download option and click it to proceed. Here, you'll have the option to choose between two types of installers for Windows, the installable version or the standalone version. Now let's talk a bit about what a standalone installer is, for those who might not know. A standalone installer is essentially a complete installation package, containing all necessary files and components to install Kdenlive on your Windows computer. The best part is, it doesn't require an internet connection during the installation process because everything you need is already included in that one file. There are several key benefits to using a standalone installer. First, you won't need an internet connection once you've downloaded the file, which is perfect if your internet is spotty or unavailable. Plus, the installer is portable. This means you can copy it to a USB drive or another portable device and install it on any compatible Windows computer, making it incredibly convenient if you're moving between different machines or helping a friend out. Another advantage is the reliability factor. You're less likely to experience installation failures due to network problems, which can be a real lifesaver. Standalone installers often provide more extensive options during the installation process compared to web-based versions, giving you a fuller, richer installation experience. Moving on, the choice between an installable version and a standalone installer depends on your personal situation and preference. If you have a stable internet connection and prefer a smaller initial download, the installable version is a great choice. However, if you're on the go or want the security of having everything you need bundled together, the standalone option is ideal. Once you've selected your preferred version, click to initiate the download. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this might take a little bit of time. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. This is usually in your Downloads folder. Open it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. And there you have it. That's how you install Kdenlive on Windows. With your software set up, you're ready to dive into editing. Enjoy exploring the creative features Kdenlive has to offer, and happy editing.